Now, on to our Spirit of Enterprise Award. This award began in 1975 to recognize local organizations that have made significant contributions to the development of our community. In your program, you will see listed some of the last recipients and a short piece on this year's honoree, Cook Children's Healthcare System. For almost a century, Cook Children's has endeavored to meet the promise it made in 1918 as the Fort Worth Free Baby Hospital to provide the best possible medical care for children. The Spirit of Enterprise Award recognizes and rewards that promise kept. Please turn your attention to the screens to see more about Cook Children's.
You know you're fortunate when you come to work every day and see superheroes and inspiration all around you. That's what it's like at Cook Children's. Our promise to improve the health of every child in our region inspires all of us, our staff, volunteers, donors, and yes, even our patient families. We have the great honor and responsibility to care for the smallest citizens of Fort Worth and the surrounding communities. We want them to grow up and live happy, healthy, productive lives. Fort Worth is a great place to live, work, and raise a family. As our area continues to grow, so does the number of children we serve. Cook Children's is rising to the occasion, expanding, adding leading-edge technology, and modernizing our facilities to be more efficient so children and their families have access to the best care possible.
For nearly 100 years, Cook Children's has cared for the children of Fort Worth. With 60 locations and a growing telemedicine program, we help children with all aspects of pediatric health: primary care, urgent and emergency care, specialty care, and home health. We now offer innovative treatments like MIBG, a targeted therapy delivering radiation directly to cancer cells. Our Congenital Hyperinsulinism Center is one of only 2 in the country. The Neurosciences program offers hope to children with epilepsy and other brain disorders, and is the only program in Texas offering deep brain stimulation surgery for movement disorders. 2016 brings the completion of Cook Children's new South Tower, further expanding 3 high-demand services: emergency, surgical, and our heart center. Our ER sees more than 120,000 patients a year, making it one of the busiest in the country, demanding more rooms and technologies. Expanding our surgical services means larger operating rooms and staying up to date with the latest innovations in surgical care. The new Heart Center allows all cardiac services to be in a central location, further streamlining this life-changing service to patient families. Speaking of hearts, Cook Children's is home to the only Project Atom affiliate in Texas. The education, training, and automated external defibrillators provided through Project Atom are making schools and businesses all across North Texas heart safe. To help low-income families, Cook Children's Health Plan offers low-cost or no-cost health insurance. And when children need long-term attention, our Home Health provides quality care in the comfort of home in Fort Worth, Dallas, and Austin. Our 5 neighborhood clinics help children in underserved neighborhoods receive medical care close to home. A 6th clinic is coming soon and is the first to combine medical, dental, and behavioral health in one location. The clinics also help kids living in homeless shelters receive consistent medical care, even providing transportation. Once in a stable living environment, we give these children a medical home so they can get healthy and stay healthy. The Center for Children's Health, led by Cook Children's, is home to CHAPS, the community-wide Children's Health Assessment and Planning Survey, Community Health Outreach, and Community Health Research. Using data gathered in the survey, the center is building collaborations and coalitions to tackle the 7 main health issues affecting our children. Our promise is to improve the health of every child in our region through the prevention and treatment of illness, disease, and injury. Our safety and prevention programs are foundational to this promise. Through Save a Smile, the Oral Health Coalition, and Safe Kids Tarrant County, led by Cook Children's, we educate and provide resources for dental health, poison prevention, car seat, and water safety, just to name a few. 2014 marks the 20th anniversary of Cook Children's Care Team, which treats victims of child abuse and neglect, now commonly called child maltreatment. Our new Center for the Prevention of Child Maltreatment benefits from the vast experience and heroic work of the care team and community partners to provide education and resources to prevent any child from ever becoming a victim of maltreatment. At Cook Children's, our entire team works to provide the best possible health care for kids, and that dedication shows. We've been named a Dallas Morning News Top 100 Best Places to Work 5 years in a row. In 2006, our nursing staff received Magnet designation and was redesignated in 2011, an honor only 3% of hospitals in the nation achieve. Cook Children's has an appealing culture that attracts and retains a strong workforce. We are all driven to make Fort Worth and the surrounding area the healthiest place to raise a child.
At Cook Children's, we're proud to be part of such a strong and supportive community. Many of our 6,000 employees call Fort Worth home, and all are deeply committed to caring for children. We know it's about more than medical expertise and advanced technology. It's about working together to tackle even the most complex conditions. Last year, Cook Children's had more than 1 million patient encounters throughout our healthcare system, which expands beyond our medical center into neighborhood clinics, urgent care centers, specialty clinics, and pediatrician offices throughout the service area that encompasses nearly half of our great state. The children who walk through any one of Cook Children's many doors will continue to receive the best care possible because we never forget that it all comes down to the one diagnosis, the one procedure, the one child that matters most, yours.
This is Dr. Jim Cunningham, who is the Chief Medical Officer at Cook Children's Hospital. And Jim, on behalf of the Fort Worth Chamber of Commerce, I'm very pleased to present you with this Spirit of Enterprise Award. Thank you so much.
Oops. Thank you, Susan. I'm very happy to be here today and receive this award on behalf of Cook Children's Healthcare System. I do need to send, you saw in the video, Rick Merrill, our president and CEO, Rick's regrets. He unfortunately had a prior commitment that required him to be out of the country, but he sends his heartfelt thanks for this award and was very sorry that he couldn't be here. I know that all of you are familiar with Cook Children's to some degree, but you may not know that we're one of the largest fully integrated pediatric healthcare systems in the country. You've seen some of our programs there in the video, but just to name a few of the breadth of our system, it includes a health foundation, a medical center, which is one of the larger children's hospitals in the country, a physician network, which includes both primary care pediatricians stationed in offices throughout our community, and a full array of specialty offices as well. We have a home health company, we have a health plan, we have a center for children's health, and we have multiple surgery centers and urgent care centers scattered throughout our community to serve the children here. And to make sure that we get the children to the right one of those facilities in a safe and effective manner, we have a nationally recognized pediatric transport team. Several years ago, Cook Children's made a promise to our community, and that promise quite simply is to improve the health of every child in our region through the prevention and treatment of illness, disease, and injury. When we do our strategic planning, we always ask ourselves, are we fulfilling our promise? And our goal is for that promise to guide all of our actions, both in what we decide and how we decide to do them. It's pretty much of an audacious promise, though, and we can't do it alone. And so we've partnered and collaborated with many individuals and companies and institutions in our community that have helped us. And I'm very proud to see that many of those are represented in this audience. And that's what makes this award very special to us. So on behalf of Cook Children's Healthcare System, our physicians, our nurses, our staff, and most especially the children and families we serve, thank you.